Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the KEDSUM 3-in-1 folding hand truck. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so as we get the box open, pretty simple. You'll have your main kind of base, instructions, and these will be your wheels, which you'll need to kind of take apart and assemble, so we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, so in the box you're going to find 4 little wheels, 2 big wheels, and then a package with all your assembly tools, and it does have a set of gloves, white gloves, so we're going to go ahead and put it together with that. But there are some tools to utilize as well, which is nice. Alright, so I'm going to run through a couple of things here, show you the varieties of ways to use this. First and foremost, I'm going to show kind of a adjustable way to kind of carry different items. You can kind of use different rods, positions to kind of just do different things. This can go down, carries a regular truck. Again, we can push this in, pull this up, make it a little bit longer, position here. This can again kind of go in. This also folds down if needed for storage purposes. So really convenient ways to utilize this depending on what you're looking to do. And there are some moving parts and pieces that will allow it to kind of do different things. So depending on what you're looking to accomplish, again, you can use kind of the 6-wheel, pull this out and extend here. Sorry. We can go 6 wheels, and there's little buttons here that will help that extend. There's locks here as well. So you can go 6 wheels a lot of different ways. Pumping this in, popping that up. This can come down and be a little bit longer this way. Or again, this can all just store very easily, just like so. So this thing is totally awesome, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.